So here's the kitty. Here's the kitty that's been making all the noise in the videos. This is Peanut Butter. It's 2 degrees outside right now. Peanut Butter's happy he's inside. Just 3 weeks ago, this cat would not come near people at all. He wanted to come near people, but he really wasn't sure what people were going to do to him. But now he's ready to go to a good home. Hello, Happy New Year. Chef Marcus Guiliano here, and I'm your chef on a mission. Today's mission, what did I drink for New Year's Eve? What did I drink? Now, every year, not every year, but many years in the past, I've always had a goal of New Year's Eve with friends to drink a lot of wine, a lot of champagne. And not only just well, not really a lot, but expensive champagne, expensive wine. So, for example, if it was the year 2015, our goal was, the 3-4 of us, was to drink $2,015 worth of wine and champagne. That would be restaurant pricing. So, of course, a bottle of some high-end champagne at $300-400, some fancy Australian, like Torbreck Runrig Shiraz, $500. So our goal was to, between the 3-4 of us, to spend that much in wine for the year. Well, that goal has long changed. I do enjoy wine. I do enjoy champagne. So Jamie and I popped open a bottle of a champagne method, champagne style, Lugana from Italy, but we shared it between 5 people. So I had just a little bit, and this was early on in the night, maybe 8 o'clock. And I did not drink anything the rest of the night, alcohol-wise, but here's what went into my toasting glass, okay? This went into my toasting glass. This is apple cider vinegar from Ethan's. I got 3 cases of this Ethan's apple cider vinegar shots. This is the apple flavor. There's a pineapple flavor. And we did a cinnamon maple. Myself, the DJ, and the DJ's assistant, we all did this while everybody else was toasting with sparkling wine. We were doing apple cider vinegar. Now, what are the benefits of apple cider vinegar? So, yes, to go back, I did not really drink anything at all on New Year's Eve. I just wasn't in the mood. I haven't drank much at all lately at all. And of course, being in the restaurant industry with wine reps coming in constantly and friends coming in constantly, you can get dragged into drinking every single day, whether it's 1 glass, 2, 3, new beers coming in. This is my favorite time of the year for new beers. The seasonal beers in the wintertime are amazing because they're big, strong Belgian ales. They're big, meaty stouts, and a lot of barrel-aged beers coming out. The Christmas beers coming out from Corsadunk, from Scaldi's, Rogue Santa, Mad Elf from Trogs. So I can easily get sucked into all of these high alcohol beers. And of course, you drink 1 beer at 12% alcohol and you're feeling it. And you feel like drinking another beer is the reality of that after that. So let's go to apple cider vinegar. What are the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar? 6 benefits of ACV. Regulates blood sugar levels. In one study, vinegar consumption was found to decrease blood sugar levels by an average of 31% after eating a meal. That's interesting. Number 2, enhances weight loss. One study, consuming just 2 tablespoons per day of apple cider vinegar over 12 weeks resulted in nearly 4 pounds of weight loss with no other modifications of diet or lifestyle. Number 3, lowers cholesterol. An animal studies show that supplementing rats with apple cider vinegar was able to reduce bad LDL cholesterol while also increasing beneficial LDL cholesterol. Number 4, improves skin health. A study showed that treating acne scars with lactic acid for 3 months led to improvement in texture, pigmentation, and appearance of treated skin, as well as a lightening of scars. Number 5, reduces blood pressure. An animal study showed that giving rats acetic acid, the main component in vinegar, resulted in reduced levels of blood sugar. Now, folks, reading that, acetic acid is poison. Acetic acid is what they make Vinegar, if you were to drink straight acetic acid, it would not be good. But when you dilute vinegar out or acetic acid out, you can make vinegar edible or make it for human consumption. So all vinegar has acetic acid, so I'm not sure how well that study, I guess I'd have to look into that one more, because again, white vinegar has acetic acid. Number 6, relieves symptoms of acid reflux. And this is true, folks. I've used apple cider vinegar for acid reflux. I've used baking soda for acid reflux. Both work very well. Drinking ACV may help provide relief from acid reflux symptoms by introducing more acid into the digestive tract to prevent acid backflow. I can personally attest to that one, folks. I've had acid reflux on and off over the years, and it's all based upon the food that I'm eating at the time. And I know it, the food combining, the time of the day I eat. Acid reflux is totally in my control, but when I do get it, sometimes apple cider vinegar helps, or baking soda helps. But these things from Ethan's, these apple cider vinegar shots from Ethan's, are really cool. They're portable, expensive based upon what's in here, but that's just the name of the game. I mean, you could realistically take a quart of your own apple cider vinegar, put some honey in it, put some turmeric in it, put some ginger in it, shake it up, leave it in the refrigerator, and when you want a shot of apple cider vinegar that's flavored, then you can just go in there and pour yourself a shot. This is a 2-ounce shot right here. So that's it. So, but definitely check these out, these Ethan shots out. These are really good. I'm sure other companies make something like that. So this is what I toasted the New Year in with, apple cider vinegar. Not my normal toast for New Year's Eve, not my normal regime for New Year's Eve, but like I said, I'm just not feeling the alcohol the last couple weeks. Just have not been feeling it whatsoever. Friends come in, people come in, I'm like, eh. We opened up my wife and a couple other friends opened up a really good bottle of Zinfandel last night, and I was like, just took one little tiny sip and that was it. So that's it. The kitty cat in the background that you're hearing is the stray cat that came around in June that was not friendly. It was a little tiny kitten, scared of people, would not go near people until 3 weeks ago. The cat now is my best friend, runs around jumping on my legs while I'm running wherever I go. The cat is super friendly. The cat needs a home still. We have 1 or 2 people that are very, very interested in the cat. So, but I just don't want to give the cat to anybody now because I'm attached to the cat, but I can't keep the cat because my wife is allergic to pets, to cats and dogs and horses. So, none of those animals in my future. So, but the cat is, my wife's even gotten attached to the cat, believe it or not. And she wants the cat to make sure the cat gets a really good home. So that's it. Chef Marcus Guiliano, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, and definitely pass it on.